Is it mandatory to have internal audit activity? Well, that depends. There's no law for it. There's no law against it. But if you have chosen to operate an ISO, International Organization for Standardization, management system for quality, so ISO 9001, 2015. There's lots of 001s, or for ISO 14001, 2015 for environmental management. Yes, if you've elected to implement one of those systems and get certified, yes, internal audits or something that follows the same intent as internal audits are a mandatory activity. However, there are a lot of organisations who don't get certified, and you might be watching this just learning about the standards. And I think that internal audits, or it's my opinion that internal audits are a great complementary activity to get an organisation started on the business improvement journey and the business improvement cycle. So as part of that business improvement cycle, what we see is internal audits being sort of one of the things to get you started. So if you don't know what to do, you don't know how to approach it, I'd recommend jumping onto our website and downloading one of our free checklists. And you can print out that checklist and you can start looking at your organisation and undertaking maybe a desktop assessment. So an internal audit, yes, it's mandatory if you follow the standards, but I think it's more than the question being about mandatory. Is it beneficial? Yes, huge amount of value. Anyone in your organisation who undertakes an internal audit and keeps it simple and does it, and it's nice and short and sweet, will learn something. So there is a huge amount of value that's extracted in the form of training and acquisition and absorption and digestion of knowledge. So yes, I would say if I was the person telling your organisation, I'd say absolutely, they're a mandatory thing. It's like eating. You need to do it every day. I think internal audits monthly, little mini ones, are a great way to keep growing and improving your organisation.